Oh my word! I knew you were gonna do that.
Yeah.
This is the most important game of skate of your life.
Exactly.
You gotta take him down. We're out here today with
Jay
and Angel.
And we're gonna do beginner game of skate. Okay, so these guys are fresh off the block. They're just learning how to ride a skateboard. And they wanted to challenge each other to a game of skate. Not my idea. Blame them.
It
idea.
It was my idea.
Alright.
Okay, so the first things first, you got a Rochambeau.
Is it Rochambeau or isn't it that we flip our boards?
Oh, do whatever you want.
Do you want to flip our boards?
Rochambeau.
No.
Rochambeau's
Wait,
just
gotta
like.
stand next to each other.
Alright.
Yeah, get in there.
Rock. So what are you gonna
1,
do?
2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Next one.
Right.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, shoot. Oh, you got me. Why did I do the same thing?
You got it. You're first up. What's the trick? You nervous?
No.
Okay. Ollie, first try. Okay, you got an ollie?
Yep.
You got this right in his face.
I think I got it.
Wow.
Nice.
The Steve.
I'm so lucky.
Bro.
I am so lucky, man.
He's coming swinging on that. Okay, I don't think he can ollie off a curb. Okay, I'll just let you.
But
I'm not coaching
Be
this.
quiet, be quiet.
I'm not
What
coaching.
Curve, what curve would I?
Whatever you want.
All right.
Or drop it on a bay.
I'll just do a shove, honestly. Oh
Wow.
man, that did not count.
You had it.
I know.
Why did you give that up?
I didn't.
You're just letting
I
him
didn't
win.
keep balance.
Okay, we got no letters.
I got a letter now for sure.
Ah!
Oh,
He missed it.
I know.
He's lucky you didn't even throw the boneless on you.
I know. I'm gonna try that again.
Yes.
Did that count?
That fully counts,
Front
bro.
shove?
That was a pop shove it.
A pop shove?
Yeah.
Just regular, not
Backside,
front- not
backside
front
shove.
shove.
The way you don't do. You do the other way.
Yeah, you scoop it back.
The nose goes.
I can't do it.
Is that a
Okay,
letter?
we got an S.
Let's go.
Okay, you got him on the ropes now.
Okay.
What are you feeling? You got it, yeah. Go high to the top rope.
Oh, okay, yeah. If
I'll just do like,
Drop in from there?
yeah,
Okay, legendary.
and then I'll.
Let's go.
That's it. I'll just do that.
So it's just
Skateboarding is about fun. This is fun. Get out there and ride a skateboard and have fun.
All right.
First try. Okay, he got that a little bit too easy.
Yeah, that was too.
He's got you nervous?
Yeah, I got this.
What do you got?
I'm gonna do a fakie, then a revert.
Fakey.
Fakie,
Revert. Okay.
I messed up.
Oh no!
There's no
Why
way.
did you stay on there?
I don't know.
There. Okay.
Light.
You hear what he said? He was talking smack. He said light. He said light work. He
Yeah,
said I
work.
got, you
Light
got
work.
nothing on me.
You got
He said
that.
I got that easy. First try.
Okay, but
Kick turns all day.
Yup.
Wow, front shove
I
in
would
the
have been
house.
out. Trying to think of what I can do.
Oh,
man.
bro!
My back foot.
I knew you were gonna do that.
Yeah.
This is the most important game of skate of your life.
Exactly.
You gotta take him down.
I got to.
Nervous.
I didn't wax it.
Oh,
These
he's in
locals
50-50.
out here. No way!
Taking that letter,
No
man.
way!
I might
You're
just
not
have
even
to
gonna
take
try.
it. I'm not trying that, no. Last time I tried that, I got hurt.
What happened?
I hurt my hip.
Okay, so you're taking a letter.
I'm taking the letter.
Okay.
Okay, so it's SS.
He's bowing out. SS. You knew that was gonna happen, didn't you?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah, he was like, I'm taking
I
you
know
out with that
none of them can
50-50.
50-50.
Yeah, I got it.
None of them can 50-50.
What do you got?
So I can do a 180.
What was that?
Trying to do 180.
Frontside 180.
All right, well, my turn.
You could hit the frontside 180 right now and get him a letter because he keeps trying it and missing.
I'll try it.
You don't got to. Don't listen to me, bro. I'm not coaching you.
Okay, 90?
90?
No, that did not count. Dang it. All right,
I mean,
go
he
ahead.
landed it. Are we gonna count it?
It's up to you.
That's up to Angel though.
That didn't count, no.
Didn't count. Okay.
He says no.
I
He
wanna
says
take
no.
it.
Oh. Bro, you trying
Dude, that
to
was so
180?
close.
I'm trying to.
That was so close.
Okay, what do you got?
Can I go around the thing?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
You can do anything.
Anything.
This is anything
Anything
counts
counts.
game of skate. Come on, skate it up. As long as you're having fun,
You got it,
anything
Angel.
counts. Yes.
Nah, you got that.
No. No? Oh, wow.
You saw, like,
Wow.
I almost saw it. I went too slow.
I'm
I know.
shocked.
You already did an ollie, right?
Yeah.
Is it the same thing?
That was first trick.
Is it the same thing if I do one rolling, or no?
You
Like,
can-
because he did an ollie, right?
Yeah, I did stationary
Anything
rolling.
counts. You can do it rolling. Go
All
ahead.
right.
Wow.
That was terrible, but I'll take
That
it.
was good. That wasn't terrible. Give
Yeah.
yourself some credit.
Ah. Ooh, he didn't land it.
SK.
He didn't stay on. Let's go. I'm gonna do. Okay.
What do you got?
Fakey ollie.
Fakey ollie.
Yeah.
Fakey ollie.
I'll try it.
What do you mean
I can't
try it?
even fakey ollie.
I haven't
yet.
really landed it yet.
What?
You got this, Angel.
Oh
Nope.
man. All right.
Fully commit.
Hey, Angel.
That's what I love about beginner game of skate. They're like, I never landed it, but I have to try it. I'm out of tricks.
GG's, man.
That was too hard. You think you got that?
No, but I'll
Okay.
try it.
I think you got it.
Does Manny feel like you're Manny off in it?
Just
Actually,
stay
no.
on.
No, hold on. Angel, stop quick. I'll be honest, I toe touched.
You toe touched.
So no counted or what?
I'm not gonna count, I toe touched.
Oh wow. The controversy is real.
That's good though.
I had to be honest, I toe touched.
There we go. There we go. In a line. So
So
you gotta
it's just-
drop in there and then kick turn.
Wait, is it dropping
No,
or
just roll off.
Okay,
Just roll off, yeah. Kick turn. Wow.
All right. I'll try ollie right here. Off this.
Ollie off
the
of that.
curve?
Yep.
Doesn't sink.
Oh man.
Why don't you stay on
Why?
there?
So
My foot
close.
landed.
Why'd you give up?
My foot landed right here and it went forward, like, cause I put pressure on it.
Bro, never give up. No excuses.
I'm doing
Angel.
that next time.
Yes, do that. No way, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
You actually got that.
get him, Ollie. Wow.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, I
I'm
don't
not gonna lie, that was legit legendary. Legit the best thing I've seen in the last 10 years. Bro,
I can't.
you had it. So what's the score? SKA?
SKA.
SKA.
I got 2 more letters. and I
Two
win.
more letters?
Please, bro. I
He's
gotta win
hyped.
this.
If I get the controller, I'm getting him out. I'm
Really?
getting him out if I get the
You
controller.
think so?
You heard it here.
I'm gonna Manny off both of these.
Okay,
Wow.
I can do that.
I am terrified. Okay.
Ooh.
Bro, how did you miss the Ollie down that?
I don't know. Oh, he had it. He has it. He has it. I mean, did you really Manny though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was good. We
That
counted.
was good. That was good. I gotta do that. All these up. Dude, I didn't even pop.
He said if you missed, he would get you
I
out.
think he might.
No toe touch, no heel touch, no nothing.
Dang, that was clean.
That was good. That was good, man.
First try.
I'm telling you right now, he's not gonna get this.
Oh my God! What? That's the first time I've ever landed that in my life.
Very well
Dude.
done. That's why I love beginner
That
game
was
of
good,
skate.
though.
Let's
Dude.
go.
You have it. You have it. What?
I
Okay,
don't know what that
Alright.
you
was.
got it, bro.
I'm gonna
Take
try
him
that
out.
again.
2 letters left.
I got him.
Yeah. Let's
that it?
go.
Is that it?
That's it.
He said that it.
Should we count that, Angel?
He got it.
What do you think?
I think that's good. Yeah.
Okay, we count it.
I'm counting it.
Let's go. First try. Well done.
Such a good guy. All right.
You're a good guy.
I can't lie. I didn't think you had that.
I haven't done them as much as I used to. I used to do the kick turn on this a lot.
Oh yeah, sick.
I still have the control here somehow.
I love how they call it the controller. Like they're in control with the remote control.
He's not gonna get this.
All right, you got it. Run it.
He's not gonna get this.
No, man.
Bro, bend the knees. Stay on there.
For real, I really gotta bend the knees.
Oh my word, he took your trick.
Revert.
Yes. First try. That was good. Very well done. All right, where are we at here? Bro.
90? All right. I have to do this, bro.
You can do it. You can do it.
Please don't land it. No. Tilt. Yes. Toe drag, man.
SK to SK.
All right.
Fakey Ollie.
Ooh. Oh, I stayed on. Oh, I stayed on. I stayed on.
Very well done. That was sick.
Thank you, man.
All right, Jay, you got it.
Oh.
Bro, last Letter
One
T.
more letter.
That means he has 2 tries.
Yeah.
At the beginning of this, you said, I'm going to lose, but I guess I'll play.
Yeah.
And now you're on the top.
You think I can ollie this?
I think you 100% can ollie that. Although I don't know about that ground up there.
Yeah, this is weird.
No, abort mission.
Definitely not.
Abort mission. That is no.
I haven't dropped in here. I rolled off, but I didn't drop in. Ooh.
Okay, Jay, you got 2 tries. You think you got this?
2 tries?
2
I
tries.
think he has this. I think he has this.
I never dropped in on this yet.
Yeah.
Go.
I ran out of
Okay,
tricks.
guys, the winner gets to play me.
Oh God. Angel,
I
you
kinda
want to
don't
lose?
want to win now. When doing a fake ollie, do I pop backwards or forwards?
Please, please,
Just pop. Just
please
do an
don't.
ollie.
Please. No. Finally.
All you got to do is stay on there. But
go.
see, you're turning your head and shoulders just a little bit.
I am.
Causing you to turn, yeah. Popcorn. Oh my word!
I didn't win.
Oh.
Nope.
Oh, bro, seriously?
I probably could have done that. What is that?
Wow.
Does that count?
I don't even know what we call that.
Vanilla milkshake.
Vanilla milkshake?
Yeah.
Is that a good one? You count it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't do that.
No, it's still. You want to take the letter? You want to go SK?
I'm taking the letter, man. What the hell was that?
Want to go SK?
SKA to T.
It's good. I'll take the letter. I can't do that.
No way. No way.
Wait, how is it?
Popcorn body
You
varial?
know how to popcorn? Popcorn body builder.
I
Nope.
can't do that.
SKAT.
T to T?
T to T.
We got a game on our hands.
I'm done.
You nervous?
I'm cooked. I'm
You
cooked.
are not cooked. You are not done, bro. You're
I'm
still
not-
in this.
Angel.
You already did that.
We already did
That was
that.
a 9. I didn't land a full 180. I landed a 90.
Oh,
But,
I see.
All right. Well,
forgot.
what if I like
Anything counts,
fakey,
Angel.
then I revert, then I ollie? Does that count as too much, or
It's up to you. It's anything counts,
All
just
right.
as long as you
Thank
call it.
what if I just?
So you're
do
gonna
that?
ride up to fakie. You're gonna do a pivot, then an ollie.
No, not pivot. What's
Turn.
it called? Yeah. Pick.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
You got
Right
that,
up.
Angel.
Fakie,
Revert.
revert,
And
ollie. Wow, bro.
Oh, I might. That's my. That used to be my original line. That was,
Line-
that was the line I ever
line
started on.
skate.
Yeah. So let's see if you can still do it.
Return into line skate, beginner line skate. Right up. Pivot, ollie. Whoa!
No, he got
no
off.
way.
One more try.
You got 2 tries, bro.
Please, God, give me.
Ollie.
You got that.
Let's go. First try.
Ooh. All right.
Every try's first try.
Let's see.
You got to do better than that.
No. Let's go.
What
Let's
in
go.
the
Let's go.
world?
Let's go.
How did you perfectly land and then you unlanded?
Okay. I am done.
Caveman, you got this.
I think I can do
You
that.
got
That's
this,
easy.
bro. Good job.
All right.
Now.
Ain't no thing.
Ah.
From the
Oh, okay.
trucks?
Okay, wait. What if I just drop in then ollie? That's it.
Drop an ollie. Okay.
Yeah. Why did I mess that
I
up?
was getting nervous about that. It's so dangerous putting the hair up. Bro! Okay, I'm starting to get scared of that.
What if I just do this?
Drop in?
Just like that.
Shout out to my girlfriend for giving me the hair tie so I can keep the hair on my face.
Wow. Back to back.
That's easy, man. Why did I do that?
We're out of tricks.
We're out,
T to
yeah.
T, we're fully out of tricks.
Please. No,
No.
man.
Just stay on there, bro.
I'm trying. What's that? Just kick turn?
When you kick turns, like stop halfway and then do the rest of the turn. Yeah, like that.
Good job. First try.
Let's go. Okay.
Please don't land this.
No!
Dude, you got it.
Why?
Rolling 180. Bro!
Jesus Christ, please.
Leave your back foot on.
I have to.
You gotta commit.
Yeah.
What are
Ooh.
you trying?
Body burial.
Please,
Dude.
bro.
You freaking have
Okay.
that.
I'm just gonna try I'm gonna see if I can just do a hippie.
What?
Just a hippie. Okay, you did it.
I didn't
Okay.
land it.
I know.
Oh!
Does that count? Did that count?
Do you count it?
I'm counting it. I have
Did you
to.
heel touch?
Good,
Did you
yeah.
did you toe or heel touch it?
No, I didn't. I landed like this, I landed like this, but it did not touch the ground until I got off. It can't be a front side shove. I mean, it has to be a normal shove.
I don't know how to do shoves.
That's the wrong one.
I can't do shoves like that.
One more try.
One more try. You have to at least try it. You have to at least try it.
Put your foot off. And shove the other way.
Yeah.
You know what that means.
Does that mean?
We got a winner!
Yeah! Let's go! Let's go!
Go!
I won.
Very well done.
Bro, good game.
You have to go against Aaron now.
I'm cooked. Good game.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you have an absolute blast learning how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.